Want this? Click on the right video. So guys, in this video, I'll be telling you how to make overlay transient effect for anime edit or videos. So first of all, drag clips to your timeline which you want to overlay. And then cut the only clip you want to overlay. First of all, now drag the playhead from where the clip is starting. Then click here and freeze IT. Then, if you have another clip in your timeline, which is before the clip you're editing, put that freezed clip onto that clip. Then make the timeline bigger by pressing Ctrl++ icon. First click the clip and go to Remove BG and select Auto Removal to remove the background. Sorry guys, I accidentally made a mistake, please. Don't leave, I am a small creator guys, please see IT. So now, as you can see, I imputed onto the previous clip. Then removed the background. Now add a keyframe at the start of the freezed clip. Then for the first keyframe set it like I am doing. Then add a second keyframe. Then place the clip a bit upward. Then add a third keyframe and do as I am doing. a last curve from at end of the clip. Then do as I am doing. Then it's up to you. You just have to adjust keyframe and check what fits your edit. IT is the end of the video, so listen. One thing, if you liked this video and got any help from this, please subscribe and like. So, bye, and have a great day.